Hello, happy Saturday. Good afternoon to all the fellow trustees, to Jack, Tammy, to everyone on Liberty Aid Academy. I'm just here to give you an updated testimonial on my progress using the trust and as well as creating one to obtain business credit. I first bought the trust back in 2020, 2021. I've established two bank accounts that I was able to open successfully with my credit union and with Wells Fargo. And further down through the years that I purchased this trust, I was able to get my wife's vehicle put into the trust name, and I also created a trust for her. She hasn't used it yet to establish business credit. And also the products like the debt system, I was able to get my student loans discharged. I'm going to show you the letter. And this is the letter from American Education Services. And this was back in, let me take a look at the date. It was November 2024. This is the official letter that I've received from them telling me that the loans have been discharged and I no longer have to pay the debt. And also my more recent progress, or the most recent thing that I've done, was created my first name last name trust to obtain business credit. So I want to show you my first name last name trust here, and as well as having it notarized here. And I also added my wife as a trustee as well. And this was on, let's see what date this was on. This was on January the 30th of this year. And here's my EIN from the IRS. Of course, they've look like they've made some changes on how they worded it, so it looks different. So in the future, when you get an EIN, it's gonna more likely come out like this. And I've received my Dunn and Bradstreet number, and I got that on February the 16th. So I can start getting business credit. And I know from the classroom, one of the testimonials have said that they didn't have to register the trust with the Secretary of State, but I went on ahead and did it just for a safety net. So I registered my trust with the state of Colorado Secretary of State here, with the name, first last name trust here. So, but anyway, I just want to let everyone know, the trustees, Jack, Liberty Aid, you guys are wonderful. I mean, you are all wonderful in the classroom. I go on the classroom every day just to see the updates of who done what. And it's just my way of learning from you guys. We learn from each other, and that's how it should be. And I want 2026 to be a year of success for not only me, but for all of you. And I meant to say one more thing. My wife and I, we were able to put a timeshare in a trust, real estate trust that I created. We did that 2 years ago when we were in Cancun, Mexico. So we were able to put the timeshare into the trust successfully. I just had to fill out some paperwork, and it went through fine. But anyway, I just want to take this time to give you an updated testimonial. Um, Everybody in the classroom, keep doing what you're doing. I'm going to be reading your comments. I may ask a question about certain things. Other than that, everybody have a wonderful Saturday. And Jay Baba, may God bless you and everyone with all of your success, including you, Jack and Tammy. Thank you so much. Jay Baba. Bye bye.